So there's this game called PlayerUnknown'S Battlegrounds. You may have heard of it. I think about 400 million people are playing it last tally. The game is available on PC, Xbox One, and mobile, but it's suspiciously not available on the Sony PlayStation 4 yet. And that may be about to change because we just caught a glimpse of what appears to be a subtle or not so subtle hint, tip of the hat, a nod to the PlayStation 4 version of PUBG being worked on right now, perhaps to be imminently announced and released if we can hope for such a thing. I'm going to turn your attention to a still from a video talking about the road to the official full release of PUBG on Xbox One, posted on Xbox's official YouTube channel, that has something quite suspicious in the corner of the screen. I will draw you to it now. I will move myself out of the way. Here, let's do this. You see that right there? That's PlayStation 4 Pro. And that's a DualShock 4. These are developers for the game, Blue Hole Entertainment developers. And voila, there you have it. There's a PlayStation sitting there, and there's a DualShock 4 sitting there on their counter, on their table, in front of their very selves as they work on the game. So what does this mean? Well, I'll tell you what this means. It means the PlayStation 4 version is coming, and it's coming soon. What do you think about this? Should we be expecting an imminent announcement? Is it coming? Is it tomorrow? Is it next week? Is this just a cruel trick? Why would Xbox post such a thing? Maybe this is just them continuing to further this we can all play together kind of thing. Who knows? Maybe they'll work in some back channel, back door, back room plan to allow crossplay. What a world that would be. I doubt it, because Sony's not cool like that. But at any rate, PUBG is clearly coming to the PlayStation 4. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.